Have you ever wondered how some people turn their Facebook profile into powerful tools for attracting opportunities, growing their brand, and even making money? What if I told you that you could do the same and it only takes a few minutes? Welcome to today's video. I am Bajepaderoyin, your guide from Baj Guide, where we break down tech and tutorial tips to help you thrive online. Today, I'm walking you through a super simple step-by-step process to switch your Facebook profile to professional mode. In this video, I will explain what professional mode is, why it is a must-have, and then show you exactly how to enable it on your profile. Stick around till the end for a bonus tip that will help you fully unlock the potential of your new professional profile. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about what professional mode is. Facebook created these features for people who want to use their profiles as a platform for growth, whether as a content creator, a freelancer, or just someone looking to expand their network. Professional mode gives you access to powerful tools like 1. Insights. These tools will allow you to track how your posts are performing. 2. Audience control. These tools allow you to decide who sees your content. 3. Monetization features. These features give you the privilege to earn money from reels if it is available in your region. These features is like having a creator account but without the need to switch to a business page. Now that you understand what professional mode is and why it is worth it, let's jump into the step-by-step process of enabling it on your Facebook account. Step 1. Log into your Facebook account on your mobile app or desktop. Step 2. Once logged in, head to your profile page by clicking on your profile picture or name at the top of the screen. Step 3. Look for the More button or the 3-dot icon next to your profile picture. This is where you will find additional settings for your profile. Step 4. Click on Turn on Professional Mode. If you don't see this option, it could mean that the feature is not available in your region yet. But keep checking it. It is rolling out to more users every day. Step 5. Once you have enabled professional mode, you will be guided through some setup steps like 1. About professional mode, friends and followers, tagging, insights, and ads. Now you are in professional mode, but we are not done yet. Let's talk about how to optimize your profile for maximum impact. Here are a few tips to make your professional profile stand out. 1. Update your profile picture and profile photo. Use high-quality images that reflect your brand or personality. 2. Craft a strong bio. Write a short and clear bio that tells people who you are and what you do. 3. Post consistent, high-quality content. Keep your audience engaged by sharing valuable posts, videos, or images regularly. 4. Use insights. Check your insights regularly to see what is working and improve your content strategy. Before we go, let me give you these tips. Always use pinned posts to highlight your most important updates or achievements. This ensures that visitors to your profile immediately see your best content. That is it. You now know how to switch your Facebook profile to professional mode and optimize it for success. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumb up and share it with someone who could benefit from it too. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more easy to follow tutorials and tips to level up your social media game. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.